Lollis Metals is a metal fabrication facility. I've been in business since 1979. I came here about a year and a half ago, and Lollis Metals was implementing ISO 9001 2015. They had 2008. So we had to go through some of the requalification, and me not knowing much about Lollis and the different aspects of the ISO program, I called SCMEP for some consulting time and spoke to them, and they said sure. And just over the telephone, we had a little contract for 3 days of work with a consulting firm, and we programmed that once a week for 3 weeks, and by the time that was done, everything was in place, and we went through our ISO certifications without a hitch. We had no exceptions whatsoever. The project was basically going through all aspects and all the forms and procedures in the ISO requirements for 2015. It was quite extensive, and we had to make sure all the paperwork and all the procedures were in place, and that any changes that had to be revised from 2008 to 2015 were in fact revised and in place. And we had done that, and we did that in about 3 weeks, and it was a little bit of a project, but not only paperwork, we had to implement the procedures in the shop. And that took a little bit, but like I said, it went through in 3 weeks, and when we had our certification, our audit, it went through without a hitch. A few of the things we noticed when we implemented 2015 was a lot of material handling procedures we changed. And when I say that, move tickets, work environments, workstations, and we found that our productivity went up quite a bit because of the organization that we implemented in 2015 throughout the shop. Also, our on-time production increased because everything flowed a little bit smoother. One thing that I noticed throughout this is now, since we were implemented in 2015, we noticed that we don't have any rework whatsoever. Our rework basically went down to 0.5%. Without SCMEP, we would have never got our qualification. We would have never been ready for it within the 3 weeks that we had. And just due to the fact that everything runs smoother here, I would say all aspects of, like I said, production, productivity, rework, morale, the overall results from SCMEP helping us is positive in all aspects. If I were a small business owner, I would definitely contact SCMEP to see what I could do to increase my business. I would encourage anybody that has any kind of issues, definitely contact SCMEP and see what you can do.